Guys, Matt Lockie here from Tradie Web Guys, and we're just going to run through with you really quickly the speed quoting system in this example for a roofing-based company. Now, the reason why this has been set up is because the constraint that we see quite often with a lot of our clients is their ability to get quotes out quickly. And typically what happens is, they end up taking weeks to get these quotes back, days or weeks to get these quotes back to their potential customers, by which time someone else has beat them to it and it's they've lost the job. So I'm going to show you a couple of things. We're going to run through a couple of things in this video. First of all, how fast it is to quote from the Tradie Hub mobile app. And second of all, what that actually looks like when it comes through for approval from you guys as the clients in the client Slack channel, and then what it looks like once it's approved as it hits the inbox of your potential customer. So all in all, it should only take a few minutes. And if we start the timer on this, we'll jump right in now. So I've set myself up as an account here. This would normally come through in your lead management system if, for example, somebody came in through an ad or whatever it might be. So we're going to go right through here, hit the quote automation tool. Okay, so I'm just going to jump into the quote automation section, edit, quote description, so roof placement, manual. Don't need to enter that one. Days on the job, let's say 2. Margin on materials, say 25. Margin on labour if you're using contractors, let's say 30. Metal to metal. Roof pitch, so this is if you know what the pitch is, obviously. Have you been out there? Let's call it 10 degrees. Let's say you've already measured that. The roof area description, so this is going to be a main house including the garage. Let's say it's 140 squares. What's Valley Lockie? 60?
I'll go maybe 20.
20? Ridge meters?
30.
Flashing?
30. Again, flashing girth would be 450 mil. Flashing folds 3. Sheet type, corrugate thick. It's our standard one. Screw type.
All this is customizable, by the way, guys, if you haven't figured that out already.
Underlay type. 401, 3-fold valley and standard ridge, or either or. Normal netting.
Right. So let's go 1. 1. Number of meters and guttering, if we're not guttering in this one, so no. 1 rivets. Number of lumber lock.
Let's go 0. Droppers 0. Skip bins go 1. Rubbish bags go 1. Scaffolding generally a 0. And then site safety railing directly beneath is around 55 is probably a standard perimeter for a site safety railing.
55 meters.
Yep, 55 meters and insulate included. Yes or no? Perfect.
It's been saved.
Saved it. We go down to actions and then tags.
Oh, hang on. I'm in the wrong thing now. There we go.
So we go down to actions.
Actions.
Tag. And then go create and view quote. Perfect. Save, and then now it should populate in the Slack channel.
So I'm just going to jump over quickly into that. There it comes. That just came straight in then. So this is the quote that gets sent through to you guys to basically approve. You see here all the details, pricing, so on and so forth. Terms and conditions, again, all customizable and amendable. Next steps. So if that all looks good at your end, then basically we would go back to the mobile app. Right here. Go down to tags, edit,
send quote to client. Yep, save.
And I'll jump straight back into the email.
Then that's going to trigger the automation of send the email, and then the email will populate in the
See if we
client's.
can beat it. There it is. It beat me.
Look at that.
So that's the email that your clients will see that comes through with that in there. So
And
let's say
also-
we're at 6 minutes now with a 2 or 3 minute intro. So let's say maybe it took 4 minutes to do all that. Anyway, pretty useful. So if your constraints, and we see this often, speed to quote. So once you get out to site, making sure that you have the ability to present that quote to the customers and get it out there within minutes is a huge advantage for you guys.